The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is imagined as the ultimate expression of luxury travel, redefining what it means to journey on the open road. Rather than following traditional RV design philosophies, this concept blends the timeless elegance and bespoke craftsmanship of Rolls-Royce with the scale and freedom of a motorhome, creating a rolling sanctuary designed for those who expect absolute refinement wherever they go. Every aspect of the vehicle is envisioned to deliver serenity, exclusivity, and effortless sophistication, turning long-distance travel into a calm and indulgent experience. From the outside, the motorhome carries unmistakable Rolls-Royce DNA. Its commanding presence is balanced by graceful proportions, smooth surfaces, and subtle sculpting that emphasizes elegance rather than aggression. Signature elements such as the Pantheon-style grille, refined LED lighting, and carefully integrated chrome accents reinforce the brand's heritage, while modern aerodynamic shaping helps improve efficiency and reduce road noise. The exterior is expected to be fully customizable with bespoke paint finishes, unique coachline detailing, and personalized exterior trims that allow each motorhome to be a one-of-a-kind creation. Powering the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is a conceptually advanced drivetrain focused on smoothness rather than outright performance. A hybrid-assisted powertrain potentially derived from Rolls-Royce's flagship luxury platforms would deliver effortless torque and near-silent operation. Electric-only driving modes would allow the motorhome to glide quietly through cities or natural surroundings, while the combustion engine ensures long-range capability with minimal vibration. Advanced suspension technology inspired by the brand's legendary Magic Carpet Ride would isolate occupants from uneven roads, making the driving experience feel remarkably calm for a vehicle of this size. Inside, the motorhome transforms into a rolling luxury residence. The cabin is imagined as a carefully curated living space, handcrafted with the finest materials available. Soft leathers, rare wood veneers, brushed metals, and plush textiles creating atmosphere more reminiscent of a private lounge than a recreational vehicle. The layout emphasizes openness and light with expansive windows and ambient lighting that can be tailored to suit different moods and times of day. Seating areas are designed for relaxation and conversation, while dining and sleeping spaces blend seamlessly into the overall design. The kitchen and bathroom areas elevate everyday necessities into indulgent experiences. A fully equipped gourmet kitchen features premium appliances, stone countertops, and intelligent storage solutions, allowing occupants to prepare meals with the same ease as in a high-end home. The bathroom is envisioned as a spa-like retreat, complete with rainfall showers, heated flooring, and luxurious finishes that maintain comfort regardless of location. Sleeping quarters offer hotel-grade comfort with finely crafted beds, acoustic insulation, and privacy features that ensure restful nights on the road. Technology plays a subtle yet powerful role throughout the motorhome. An advanced digital ecosystem quietly manages climate control, lighting, entertainment, navigation, and security, all tailored to the preferences of the occupants. Voice control, touch interfaces, and intelligent automation make interaction intuitive, while high-speed connectivity ensures constant access to communication and entertainment services. Advanced driver assistance and safety systems further enhance confidence whether navigating highways or remote destinations. Despite its opulence, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome also reflects a forward-looking approach to sustainability. The hybrid system, energy-efficient systems, and intelligent power management aim to reduce environmental impact without compromising comfort. Silent operation modes and efficient energy usage align with modern expectations for responsible luxury. Ultimately, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome represents a vision of travel where the journey itself becomes the destination. It combines heritage craftsmanship, modern technology, and unparalleled comfort into a mobile environment that feels both exclusive and deeply personal. For those who desire freedom without sacrifice, it stands as a symbol of how luxury can seamlessly move with you wherever the road leads.